Finding the right eyebrow pencil doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're looking for precision, longevity, or a natural finish, there are plenty of budget-friendly options available. In today's video, we'll be reviewing 7 of the best eyebrow pencils for perfect brows, all at affordable prices. From ultra-fine tips to easy-to-blend formulas, these products deliver great results without a hefty price tag. Let's get started. Number 1. e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil Neutral Brown. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown is a great option for anyone looking for a quick and easy way to shape their brows. This 0.33 Ozai pencil features a dual-ended design with a pencil on one side and a spoolie brush on the other, allowing for precise application and effortless blending. The pencil's creamy formula glides on smoothly, filling in sparse areas without tugging or pulling on the skin. The neutral brown shade is perfect for those with medium to dark brown hair, providing a natural, defined look. This pencil is buildable, so you can layer it for a more intense finish or keep it light for a more subtle effect. The spoolie end is soft yet firm, helping to blend out the product for a more natural finish while shaping the brow hairs. In terms of durability, the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil lasts throughout the day without fading or smudging. It's a reliable option for those looking for a low-maintenance yet effective eyebrow pencil. At a great price point, this pencil offers fantastic value, making it a must-have for anyone on a budget looking to define their brows.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil Espresso. The NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso is designed for those who want ultra-precise brows with a natural finish. The 0.003 Oz pencil has an ultra-fine tip that allows you to draw hair-like strokes, making it easy to define and shape the brows with accuracy. The pencil is ideal for filling in sparse areas and achieving a flawless, natural look. Espresso is a dark brown shade that works well for individuals with darker hair, providing a deep, rich color that mimics the natural brow hairs. The formula is soft and smooth, gliding on easily without skipping or tugging. On the opposite end, the pencil has a spoolie brush to blend the product into the brows for a seamless, well-groomed finish. Durability is one of the standout features of the NYX Microbrow Pencil. It stays put throughout the day with minimal fading or smudging. It's a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly product that still delivers high-quality results. The pencil is long-lasting, precise, and perfect for creating defined brows without much effort. Number 3. Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Medium Brown. The Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer in Medium Brown offers a soft, creamy formula that makes filling in your brows a breeze. This 0.18 Oz pencil features a retractable tip, ensuring you don't have to worry about sharpening. The angled tip allows for both precise application and the ability to fill in larger areas with ease. Medium brown is a versatile shade that works well for a variety of brow colors, offering a natural and defined look. The formula is smooth and blendable, allowing you to build the intensity depending on your preferences. The pencil's design makes it easy to achieve a range of brow looks, from natural and soft to bold and dramatic. The pencil is long-lasting, providing all-day wear without smudging or fading. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a low-maintenance, reliable brow pencil that offers excellent coverage. The Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer is perfect for those who need an affordable and high-performing option for defining their brows. Number 4. L'Oréal Paris Brow Stylist Definer Dark Brunette. The L'Oréal Paris Brow Stylist Definer in Dark Brunette is an excellent choice for creating precise, defined brows. This 0.03 Oz pencil is equipped with a microfine tip that allows you to draw individual hair-like strokes, making it easy to mimic the natural texture of your brows. The formula is smooth and blendable, ensuring you can achieve both natural and bold looks with ease. Dark Brunette is an ideal shade for those with dark brown to black hair, offering a cool toned finish that looks natural and defined. The pencil is retractable, so there's no need for sharpening, and the other end features a spoolie to help blend and groom the brows. This makes it simple to achieve a polished look with minimal effort. The L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist. Definer delivers long-lasting wear, staying put without smudging or fading throughout the day. The pencil provides excellent precision, allowing for controlled application and defined brows. If you're looking for a high-performance brow pencil that is both affordable and easy to use, this product is a top contender. Number 5. Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Definer Medium Brown. Wet n Wild's Ultimate Eyebrow Definer in mediums. Brown is a great budget option for those seeking a natural, defined look. This 0.035 OZ pencil has a retractable tip that makes it easy to apply and doesn't require sharpening. The pencil's smooth texture ensures easy application without tugging on the skin, allowing you to fill in sparse areas and create defined brows effortlessly. Medium brown is a versatile shade that complements a wide range of hair colors, giving your brows a natural, balanced look. The pencil's formula is soft and blendable, making it easy to create both subtle and bold brow looks. The other end features a spoolie brush, allowing you to blend the product seamlessly for a flawless finish. This brow pencil is long-lasting and provides excellent coverage, staying in place throughout the day without smudging. For the price, Wet n Wild's Ultimate Eyebrow Definer is a reliable, high-quality option that works well for everyday use. Whether you're looking to define your brows subtly or go for a more dramatic look, this pencil is an affordable and effective choice. Number 6. Rimmel London Brow. This Way Professional Pencil. Black Brown Rimmel London's Brow. This Way. Professional pencil in black brown is designed to give you bold, defined brows with ease. The 0.04 OZ pencil features a smooth, creamy formula that glides on effortlessly, allowing you to create precise strokes for a natural or more sculpted look. The black-brown shade is perfect for those with dark hair, providing a rich, deep color that enhances the brows. This brow pencil is versatile, offering the ability to define and fill in sparse areas with ease. The pencil's formula is blendable, giving you the option to build the intensity of the color based on your preferences. On the other end of the pencil, you'll find a spoolie to help blend the product and comb through your brows for a neat, polished finish. Rimmel London Brow. This Way. Professional pencil is long-lasting, providing reliable coverage throughout the day. The formula is smudge-proof and resistant to fading, making it a great option for those looking for a brow pencil that stays in place. If you want to create bold, defined brows on a budget, this pencil is a fantastic choice. Number 7. iMethod Curved Eyebrow Pen Dark Brown. The iMethod Curved Eyebrow Pen in dark brown is a unique product that offers a different approach to eyebrow definition. This 0.28 Oz pen features a curved tip that allows you to draw hair-like strokes with ease. The formula is waterproof and long-lasting, ensuring your brows stay defined and fresh all day long. Dark brown is a rich, natural shade that works well for those with medium to dark brown hair. The curved tip is perfect for creating precise, natural-looking brows, and the pen's formula dries quickly and doesn't smudge. This makes it an excellent option for those who need reliable and waterproof eyebrow definition. The iMethod Curved Eyebrow Pen is ideal for anyone who prefers a pen over a pencil, offering a unique application method that delivers natural results. It's easy to use, dries quickly, and provides long-lasting results. If you're looking for a waterproof option that's also budget-friendly, this eyebrow pen is a great choice. Finding the perfect eyebrow pencil doesn't have to be expensive. The products we've reviewed today offer excellent performance, from precision and blendability to long-lasting wear, all at an affordable price. Whether you prefer a pencil or a pen, there's an option here for every brow routine. Keep these picks in mind for your next trip to the store, and you'll have perfect brows without breaking the bank.